Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to RoboThought Zero to Hero series C++ coding in Arduino Mega, right? The most excellent board Arduino Mega. Okay guys, we are on lesson number 18 Arduino C++ serial read string function. I am going to show you what a read string function means, right? In the previous two lessons you had seen different types of functions like serial print and stuff like that, including serial not available. In this lesson, I will show you how serial.read string function works. Okay, it basically reads the incoming serial data from serial buffer in the string. The string string data type is used here. Okay. The serial.read function with the open parenthesis and a closed parenthesis function basically reads in terms of bytes, while the serial.read string, okay, read string, keep a note of it, right? Function reads the data in terms of a string, a lengthy string of list of characters. Okay, so basically let me just type in and show it to you so that you guys can understand what I'm trying to explain. So how it works is so let's say string, okay, string string. See, can you see the color changes immediately on the IDE as soon as you type string? String, say A B C, say let's say B, okay, semicolon. All right, now let's get into say void setup, okay, void setup, and close the parenthesis and then open a curly bracket and then serial dot begin. All right, like this, and you need to set a baud rate of 4800. Now I will tell you what is the difference between 4800 and 9600. In the previous lessons we had been using 9600 very often, but for the string where you put a complete sentence or list of alphanumeric character, it's better to reduce the speed so that the print is read appropriately. So you need to put 4800. Well, you can use 9600 as well. There is nothing, no harm in that. Okay, now oops, what happened to my IDE? Okay, there you go. Now what we need to do, we need to come out of this and say void setup, void loop and open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Now let me open a curly bracket, and now we will use a while loop. Guys, I am going to talk about the while loop and for loop and do while loops at a later lesson. In detail I will show you how the loops works, but for now let's consider while like this. All right, the color changes immediately. It's an inbuilt function. While serial dot available, all right, like this, and close the function and put an entire bracket again to close it. All right, and now let's open another bracket like this, and then say b equals to serial dot read string. The S should be in uppercase. All right, read string like this, and then close with a curvy bracket, parenthesis, and a semicolon. Now serial dot print ln, and what you're going to print, you are going to print the string B. All right, like this. So this is just to show you guys. I'm going to, it's not going to execute anything on the terminal for say, but I'm just trying to explain how the string function works. You are just initiating a B as a string, but you can put any value. Once you come down to the control statement serial.println B, you are printing the string B. You can just mention anything, full length of line. So that is how the serial.println function works. I hope this is clear, guys. I am going to come back to you in the next lesson with more details, and we will get into this as we go along. All right, if you have a question, do leave a comment. I will explain to you as best as possible. Goodbye until then, see you soon.